Hi guys, I've had this one in my stock for quite a while, so I thought I might make it. Cost me £2 in a charity shop. It's one of those ones that's in a cardboard box that doesn't need to be. Looks like somebody's actually started it. Oh, that could be fun. Doesn't look like they got very far. I think I've done one of these before. So check the video description. There'll be a link to my wooden clip together kits. I keep calling them clip together, but I think slot together would be a better description. Okay. When I first started doing these, I used to actually write on them in pencil the numbers that are shown on here because it made it easier to find them all. But I haven't been bothering to do that lately. So let's see if we can figure out what he's done already. I'll fast forward the video for one video and do the full length the other video. Right, down here, 5 to 11 and 3 and 4. So where's number 1? There's number 1. Number 1 and number 2. Number 1, number 2. So, which way round was this supposed to be? That way. So that's our number 1. When I say that's our number 1, the actual bit is that number 1 is that slot just there. Are we on screen? Yes, we are on screen. So number 1 goes just there. I think I'll sit down, to save me back. And that piece, which is that piece. Okay, that's 1, 2, and 3 and 4. This is going to need gluing. Well, that's annoying. I'll try to avoid gluing stuff at early stages. 3 and 4. Yeah, gonna have to put glue on it. Right, so we'll assume he's got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on there. So that must be 10. No, glue hasn't glued yet. From memory, from the one I did before, that piece goes on top. Yes, that's number 11. So that goes on there. And that has to be glued. I might change to white glue instead of super glue. White glue does nicely on wood, just takes a bit longer to dry. Yeah. Right, there we are, finished. I could moan about it, the fact that the plywood was delaminating as I was trying to glue it together, but I think, to be fair, this is a very old kit. Picked it up in a charity shop for £2. It could be 20 years old. So no surprise that the plywood's splitting apart. I did struggle to follow the instructions, but we did get there in the end. And from a distance it looks okay. Obviously you could paint it. It did need gluing to get the bits together. A lot of these kits are designed so they hold themselves together when you slot them together. But this one absolutely definitely needed glue. Well, actually you couldn't have done the wheels without glue anyway, so yeah, had to glue them. So yeah, motorbike construction kit. This one's marketed by Professor Puzzle, or was marketed by Professor Puzzle. That says 6/18 on it. I bet that was June 2018. In fact, it does say copyright 2018 down there. But you can buy similar kits from other companies. I expect they're all made in China and just branded to suit whatever company it is that wants to sell them. Says there length 26.5, width 9.5, height 14, all in centimetres. Yeah, it talks about using glue if the bits are too loose. It says not provided, but there is no way you could have made those wheels without glue. And I think I've done one like this before, or a very similar one anyway. So video description, there'll be a playlist there of my wooden clip together kits. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.